Guna Priya from Chittoor. I completed my graduation from Dehradun Institute of Technology in the stream of Computer Science Engineering with an aggregate of 80%. And I joined as an incubation student in Jspiders Hebbal branch. And I'm so happy to share my experience because I got placed in a company called Unisys. So in that company there were 4 rounds. First one is aptitude round, second one communication, third one technical, fourth one managerial round. And here every faculty will teach you like from scratch, irrespective of their background students, and everyone can learn easily. As an incubation student, I learned Core Java. Like I was taught Core Java by Anupama ma'am and Rahul sir. So I especially want to thank both of them for teaching me, and they are the one who helped me to get placed in this particular company, because before every interview they will provide grooming which helps you to crack the interview, and you have to clear the mocks, you have to attend the grooming, you have to do presentations well, and according to coming to my experiences here, I learned as a CSS student I was not knowing that much technical knowledge, but after coming here I learned so much of technical knowledge, and thanks to Jspiders Hebbal branch.